How to use footprint charts for trading, best strategies that we developed after 8 years and working with more than 1000 traders around the globe. You'll learn exactly in this video. When you start this footprint trading strategies, few words about footprint. It shows to you history where people buy and sell in big amount of coins. Why it's so important for us? Because we can see where exactly some people sold huge amount of coins or bought, and quite often such places become important support resistance. Last example for you that we traded yesterday. It was APT coins that listed on Binance recently and many other exchanges, and some person bought and sold all together at one level 570,000 coins. After that, 30,000 coins at one level, 940. Altogether, if you multiply at current price that was there, it was approximately $5 million, real money. And after that, have a look how price beautifully did rise by 4.7% within only 2 hours after this. That's beauty of this dominant footprint trading, because you see real numbers and price often react on this. As a beginner, you will have several questions. First, what strategies to use, how exactly open trades at stop losses, and where to find such significant volumes to trade in the future. I'll show to you most of them entirely for free. That's why I ask you to subscribe if you enjoy in the future. And also, if you will have any questions, type into a comments, because I have deep desire to record a series of lessons about DOM and footprint trading, and you can help with a topic that's really important for you. Just type into a chat. When we trade by DOM and footprint, we significant size in a footprint we can use in a different strategies. I personally use in two strategies. First one, it is a strategy when significant size become important support resistance. I do it quite often when price breaks a size, and after that volume become important support resistance. Often it could be in both direction. It doesn't matter. It could be as for long as for short in both directions. And another strategy, it is fake outs. Both of these strategies have different preconditions, and I'll show to you these preconditions to each of these strategies. Firstly, how you can find significant sizes in a footprint. You can use a special tool that called a heat map. You can watch a lesson about how to use it in the cards or description you will find. Just watch after when you finish this. You can see, like this example on Bitcoin Cash, you can see significant limit order, and quite often that limit order price traded and they become a real important support resistance in a footprint. Another way how you can use it, you can be inside in a community, like we have a community where we do live briefings nearly every day, and where we share trading plans and ideas for days that we can trade. And when people share with you some situations that you can trade, it's second way. And third way, you can have multiple screens, as I have, where you can have opened quite a lot of instruments and just look on a DOM and footprint by your own eyes and trade. In the future, if I'll find another ways, I'll record a video how to find significant sizes in a footprint. Let's go more back to this practical examples for you, how you can use it with stop loss and take profit examples. At this moment, we have two examples, Bitcoin Cash. Let's cover with you 3 examples. That would be Bitcoin Cash and 2 examples on APT. And if you enjoy this lesson, I'll record the second topic with more setups with this footprint trading. Just write in the comments if it's useful for you. First, as I told you, first example, it is this one. It is on a Bitcoin Cash. When the significant order were traded and broken, how you identify that this order big and important? Simply by comparing it with other orders, other prices that you can see. Like altogether here, it is 9,000 coins that traded. It is in 10 times bigger. That's it. That's how you identify. You see it is in 10 times bigger. As big a difference, like if size in 10, 20 times, 50 times bigger than average, what you see, it makes that volume even far more important and far more powerful, and price can make bigger movement from that. Okay, about this Bitcoin Cash example, have a look. It traded at 108.50. Let's open. What you do? what we can do, Bitcoin Cash. Let's do an example how exactly open and close a trade by using this powerful approach. About that significant size appeared exactly here. Price broke it and after that retested. Honestly, best time to open it exactly at this retest when price came closer to this trade. You simply take long because price above that significant size. For me, it's important to see a confirmation that price close at least 5-minute candle, at least some 0.2% above or below the price. Like it was here. Price broke that size by 0.25%. That's enough for me. After that, let's do this stuff. You see that the price exactly retested this size. At retest, you take long, nearly retest, where to place your stop loss. If you are a really risky guy, you can place stop loss here below this local low. Safest, it is below this local low. Here, it is the safest place to set a stop loss. How do you place a take profit by using this strategy? Firstly, before next important levels, you can set several take profits by just simply several take profits. I never recommend to close by one limit order. Just divide your take profit by several parts and that's it. And after that, you can see how price beautifully, even at this moment, even today, price reached all targets, and at this moment risk to reward ratio is 8.1. It is huge and it's enough to take profit. Another example how you can use this approach, it is for false breakout trading strategies. When price did like this one, they did fake breakdown, and after that the size become important support. How you exactly take a trade? Also, let's cover this APT example. About this APT example, as I showed to you in our free signals channel, this example, 570,000 coins, it traded exactly here, and have a look how price beautifully did this beautiful rise by more than 5.7%. Honestly, if you take a trade and you can see some significant level, I highly recommend you always before next important level close a big amount of coins. Also, you can close a big amount of your position if you can see some another significant limit order that could become important resistance for your trade. Example for you, this APT DOM. I did a screenshot when price on APT was at this level 987, 980. It was exactly at this moment when I thought that price would break this level, but price eventually didn't break it. And have a look on this example. What happened eventually? Price did this fake out because that significant order become another resistance. And what exactly happened at that time? At this level, 987.6, 1.39 million coins traded. 1,039 coins traded, and after that amount of coin become important resistance, and price only dropped nearly 9% after that. If we come back to a chart, what happened here? 570,000 coins traded here, price reached this level, and after that 1.4 million of coins traded here, and after that have a look on this beautiful drop. When you see another big huge volume into opposite direction, better to close your trade and book your profit. How exactly you take a trade in both cases? Firstly, when you see that price did already fake breakdown of that significant level, you can take a trade and your stop loss is enough to keep your stop loss below local low. That's it. And before next important level, it's so important to close biggest amount of your position to be out of any risk. Because you don't know will be there fake out of this level or not. After that, in a case when you see such significant size at high, it's awesome to take also a short trade. And remember, the next liquidity zone when you take a trade quite often becomes here into next important levels. And even yesterday in our private community, I sent to community where I told that, guys, this significant size were broken. And with big possibility, price is going to reach all these three levels. And after that, APT exactly dropped to next level, which was nearly 8%. And if you took a trade at that significant size, it could be like, have a look on this beautiful And after that, price reached all these targets. That's why, my friends, I think Footprint, it is really huge and powerful tool in a crypto trading. And to use it better, watch our separate lesson about heat map trading that will help you benefit more, make more. Remember to subscribe to this channel to be updated and learn money together with us. Thank you for your time.